Oh, hey there. Welcome to another Let's Draw or UniDraws. Tell me what you want to name these things in the future in the comments down below. UniDraws or Let's Draws. So in this video, I wanted to do a bit of a look back, a throwback to an old image that I did 4 years ago, where you had this girl who was this friend of this robot, and I wanted to redraw it and bring it to the modern day, to the now, with all the knowledge and stuff that I know of my drawing craft, and I figured, why not do a video on it? And also I want to get your guys' opinion on doing like some art challenges. So if you guys know of any, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to hear your thoughts. And yeah, so anyway, let's get on with this drawing, and I hope you enjoy the video. So I wanted to do this redraw mostly because I wanted to see how much I've improved as an artist, and also I thought it would be a very interesting exercise in going back, looking at my old image and trying to work out where the problems were, like posing, colours, line art, just like anything in general that I could probably improve upon. And I really wanted to do a drastic change for the image, and I feel like for this sort of exercise, you know, which I highly recommend anyone doing, you know, going back and redrawing an old image, but again, for this exercise, I wanted to do not just a redraw of the same image where like I'm doing like the full length image, you see like the whole body or whatever. I wanted to do a complete and utter rework of both color, line, design, and an overall look and meaning to the image. Whereas before, the original image that you saw earlier in the video, or if you look in my description down below, you'll see the original playlist or video, is that the image is very stiff. Like, it's not like the characters are just standing there and it feels a little bit awkward, and like the posing is not so great, and the coloring is like to be desired, you know. And back then I thought that was okay, you know, as any other artist would, but you know, I still wasn't so happy with it. So I looked at it and I thought, you know what, I'm gonna redraw that and I'm gonna give it a different look to it. So as you can see with this image, I've got the characters looking a little bit more detailed. I've got but without like overdoing the details, you know, keeping it simple, but like keeping the small details in, which gives you more of an image than if you just like straight up did like every line and made it really detailed. And that's in my opinion anyway. So what I wanted to do with this image, I wanted to have the characters looking you know, kind of like, well, the robot looking a little bit more battered than he did in the original image, and I also wanted the girl character to sort of like hold out her hand to sort of like, you know, basically to say, it's gonna be alright, friend, you know, you're gonna be alright, I'm gonna repair you, or something like that. And you know, and speaking of the robot, I wanted to redesign him because I didn't like the last design. I really hated it. You may have noticed in that old Let's Draw, the head design was like a massive annoyance to me, and so yeah, I wanted to change it where it was a little bit more sleeker, like the design of the robot was more cleaner. You could see like the overall design in the shape, using basic shapes and volume in that image, to give it a more readable design and a more likable design, a design that I'm happy with. And then for the girl character, as I said before, I wanted to have her arm hanging out, reaching out to the robot's like head, face, you know, robot face, if you will. And I really wanted to give her a redesign as well, because in the original image she's just like a basic alien girl, you know. The design not too appealing, the colour choices were garbage, and you know, and I felt like I could have done it a little bit more justice. So I simplified the design. I changed the design as well, so she's no longer an alien, she's also a robot herself, and a very sophisticated one compared to her broken counterpart. So I just wanted to change that for that character as well, and just really give her some sort of like robotic emotional connection with the bulkier broken robot, who's like, she's probably reaching out to say like, I'm gonna repair you, you know, because you're my friend, or something like that. And I really wanted to get that idea across, and I hope I did. And for the image itself, I kind of wanted to change the overall art aesthetic. So instead of like a comic book style, I wanted to change it to more of a painterly look, and also throw in some of those like post-processing color layer blending techniques in there, like color dodge, color hue, add glow, and maybe some layer color adjustments like levels and curves, to really get those colors out and really push what I can do with the image. So yeah, that's pretty much it really. I hope that you liked this you know, redrawing old images exercise. I really enjoyed it. It was quite cathartic, redrawing an old image that I did ages ago. And if you want to see me do more art exercises like this one, you know, let me know down in the comments down below. I'd love to hear your thoughts, as well as your thoughts on the image, and maybe suggest what I could draw next. Anyway, I hope that you hit that like button for the video. That will let me know that you like this sort of thing, and I'll continue doing it. And if you want to see more videos in the future and you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button, and remember to hit that bell button too, because you know, otherwise you won't see it in your sub boxes or notifications or whatever it's called. And make sure you turn on all notifications, so that way you get to see all my videos from the future in the future. I've been UNiCOMICS, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.